In this video, I will show you how to access Bing AI chatbot. So for doing that, there is two options and I am showing you one by one. So first option is download the Bing application from Play Store and open it. And after opening that, you have to log into this application, and here we can see in the bottom of the application we can see the Bing icon, and you have to tap on it, and here we can see that's how you can access the AI or chatbot of Bing. And here you can write anything and this will do the job for you. And the other option is to download the Microsoft Edge application and open it. And after opening that, in the search option you have to search Bing chat, and from here type the chat, and from here you can also chat with the Bing AI. So that's how you can use Bing AI chatbot. Hope this is helpful for you, and thank you.